I didn't understand the question, so I didn't do it.
Okay, you have not understood the question. Let me take it over here. It was this one given. It was this one given. Tan A is equals to 4/3.
Yes, ma'am.
Find the other trigonometric ratio.
Yes, it was this one.
Let's do it. So the question says that tan A we know. Already we know tan A is 4/3. Okay. Let's draw a triangle, a right angle triangle. Here, suppose A, B, C, this is the name of the triangle. Let's say we are drawing it by ourselves. Okay. In the question, it is just given to us that tan A is 4/3. That means angle A, this tan of angle A, that is given as 4/3. Okay. This angle, what is the angle over here? Angle is A. B is 90 degrees. Okay. Now, what is the formula for tan? Abdul, Sumaya.
Adjacent by hypotenuse.
Is it tan formula? Opposite over adjacent, is it so? Tan is the combination of sine and cos. Okay. The formula for tan, we will come to sine and cos. Basically, tan is the combination of sine and cos, and sine means opposite over hypotenuse. And cos is adjacent
Ma'am, cos is adjacent by hypotenuse.
Adjacent
By
over
hypotenuse.
Hypotenuse. If you will do the division, if you understand the division of the fractions, that means opposite over hypotenuse divided by adjacent over hypotenuse. Basically the same thing I am writing over here with the division sign. Please don't get confused. Okay. So from here, what are we going to get? Let's see. Do you know that if we are having any fraction 2/5 divided by 8/3, how to solve this fraction?
Reciprocal. And
Reciprocal,
multiply.
yeah. 2/5 into 3/8 it will be. Yes or no?
Yes.
Basically, when in fraction, the concept is we don't know how to do division. But yeah, we can take the help of multiplication and we can do the division. Okay, so this division, we can take it as a multiplication sign. But at the same time, the very next fraction 8/3, that we have to take the reciprocal. 8/3 reciprocal will be 3/8. And when you will simplify it, you will be getting, first you will try cancelling it out. Here we can see one cancellation is possible. And then you will multiply numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So the result will be 3/20. Any confusion? Abdul, Sumaya?
No, ma'am.
Similarly, if we will use the same concept over here, that means opposite over hypotenuse. and this division sign will be multiplication sign, and the other one we have to take the reciprocal. We are bound to take the reciprocal, so that will be hypotenuse over adjacent. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Hypotenuse gone, and tan formula we got, that is opposite over hypotenuse. Are you able to recall that the formula for tan is opposite side by adjacent side?
Yes.
Okay, this is the formula for tan. Tan formula is opposite over adjacent. From where we have got? With the help of sine and cos only we have got it. That's why we say that tan is just the combination of sine and cos. Tan means sine theta by cos theta. Similarly, cot means cos theta by sine theta. Cot means cos by sine. Just for your knowledge, anytime maybe in other question, here we don't need this formula, that sine by cos and cos by sine, but you need to know. You need to know that tan means sine by cos and cot means cos by sine. From here only you have got the formula for cot, that is adjacent over opposite. Are you able to recall the formula for tan and cot?
Yes, ma'am.
Abdul and Sumaya? Okay. So yesterday we were discussing the formulas. Sine means opposite over hypotenuse. Cos means cosine, that means cos. Cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. Tan means opposite over adjacent. Just a second. Yeah. So yesterday only we have discussed the formula. Here directly I am writing the formula, that we know tan means opposite over adjacent. Have you learned all the formula, Sumaya and Abdul? Have you?
Yes.
Yes. So tan formula is opposite over adjacent. This formula we are going to use over here. Okay. We know that tan theta formula is opposite side over adjacent side. Here it is given tan A is equals to, given that tan A is equals to 4 by 3. Can we say 4 is representing the opposite side and 3 is representing the adjacent side? Can we, by using the formula, by comparing it with the formula?
Yes.
Can we?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So tan A is 4 by 3. We can say numerator 1 is the opposite side and denominator 1 is the adjacent side. But it's a fraction. And we have also learned one concept, that directly we cannot separate the ratio. We cannot separate the fraction. If the ratio between your age to my age is, let's say, 1:5, 1:3, 1:2, whatever is the ratio between your age to my age, that doesn't mean that you are 1 year old and I am 2 year old. We are not allowed to separate the ratio like that. So we cannot say that opposite side is 4 centimeter or meter. We cannot say that. Yeah, we can say that opposite side is 4x, and we can say that adjacent side is 3x. Am I making sense to both of you?
Yes.
Yes. Abdul, getting it? Now opposite, which one is opposite, which one is adjacent? Angle is clearly written over here, that we are talking about angle A over here. Okay. We are talking about angle A. So opposite to angle A, that is the opposite side. Hypotenuse will be permanent over here according to 90 degree, and Adjacent side. Can you tell me which one is adjacent side and which one is opposite side over here, Abdul and Sumaya? In this triangle,
BC is opposite. AB is adjacent.
yes, AB is adjacent. We can take it as a 3x. And BC is opposite. We can take it as a 4x. Now, are you able to identify that AC with the help of Pythagoras theorem we will be able to find?
Yes, ma'am.
Find it. Find AC by using Pythagoras theorem. Find it, Abdul and Sumaya. Find AC by using Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am, is AC equals to 5x?
5x. Abdul, you are also getting AC as a 5x. Are you getting, Abdul, AC as a 5x? Are you? By Pythagoras theorem.
Ma'am, I also got 5x.
Okay, who else is there? Just a second. Everyone join. Okay, Ifra is also there. Alvina is also there. Okay. I thought only Abdul and Sumaya is there. Yeah, AC will be 5x. Let's see how. By Pythagoras theorem, we know that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. Okay, AB is 3x, so 3x complete square, and BC is 4x, 4x complete square. Okay, 3x complete square will be 9x square, 4x whole square will be 4x,
16x.
16x. Now this will together become 25x square, and hence AC will be, yes, it will be plus minus 5x, but we'll be taking 5x positive because we are talking about the length of the side. So yeah, AC came out as a 5x. Now what we are doing over here, we tan A is given over here 4/3. With the help of that, we realize that tan formula is opposite over adjacent. So 4 is representing the opposite side, 3 is representing the adjacent side. Now we can take x and x along with that to separate the ratio, to separate the fraction. And then we have constructed a right angle triangle by ourselves. We realize that opposite side, adjacent side we know, but hypotenuse we don't know. So yeah, we are having one magical formula, Pythagoras theorem, which will help us finding the hypotenuse. We found the hypotenuse with the help of the Pythagoras theorem. Okay. Now once we are having all the three side in hand, now what the question says, find the other trigonometric ratio. That means we have to find sine A, we have to find cos A, we have to find tan A is already given, cot A, we have to find cosec A, and we also have to find sec A. All the trigonometric ratio we have to find. How we will be finding? With the help of our triangle. Let me copy paste the triangle over here. This is A, this is B, this is C. Here angle A is represented. This is 3x, this is 4x, and this is 5x. I have just copy pasted that triangle. We have to find sine A, we have to find cos A, we have to find cot A because tan A is known. We have to find cosec A, and we also have to find sec A. Find it. Yes, Ifra, we have just started the trigonometric ratio. Okay, introduction to trigonometry. Do you know the formula? Who else is there? Alvina and Ifra. Do you know the formulas?
Ma'am, for sine A, will it be 4 by 5?
Are you able to find it?
Yes, ma'am.
Sumaya, you are doing it. What about you, Ifra? Alvina? Are you understanding what exactly we are doing over here?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no? Alvina and Ifra.
No, ma'am.
Getting it? Not getting? Let me know. Are you getting?
No, ma'am.
Okay, let me start the discussion. Meanwhile, Sumaya, you find it. Just a second. Yeah, let me know. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Anyone? Please let me know.
Yes,
Yes.
ma'am.
Okay, let's start the discussion. Let's start the discussion. Okay. So yesterday we just started this chapter, that is introduction to trigonometry. And I said that this trigonometry is a branch of mathematics. Okay. Here we will be discussing mainly about triangle, and that too we will be taking right angle triangle. Okay. For now, we'll be taking right angle triangle over here, and we will be discussing about this right angle triangle over here. Now, when I'm saying right angle triangle, one formula is already known to you, which is only applicable to right angle triangle, and I am talking about Pythagoras theorem. So, do you know Pythagoras theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so we know that if we are having right angle triangle, that then any time we can use freely, we can use Pythagoras theorem that says that AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square, or that says that hypotenuse square is equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Okay. Now we are having three sides in this triangle, AB, BC and CA. With the help of this three side, total 6 ratios we are able to create. Okay. With the help of the side AB, BC and CA, total 6 ratios we are able to make. Let me show you. We can take these two together. That means AB by BC we can take to create a ratio, or maybe we can take BC by AB. Now if we will take these two together, we will be able to create a ratio, that is BC by CA, or maybe CA by BC. Okay. Trigonometric ratio we are creating. With the help of the side of the triangle, we are just checking how many possible ratio we can make with the help of these three sides. Okay. Now with first and the last one we will be taking, then again two different ratio we will be able to make over here, that is CA by AB. That's why total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. You can check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Total 6 ratios we are able to make with the help of the three sides. थ्री साइड्स की हेल्प से हम लोग 6 रेशियोज क्रिएट कर पा रहे हैं अपने से. ओके, so that's why in this trigonometry chapter you will see that total we are having 6 trigonometric ratio. Total 6 trigonometric ratios are there. And what is that trigonometric ratio? Trigonometric ratios are now a new, like very new terminology you will get to know over here. Don't worry, just take it as it is, just take it like a formula. For now you don't have to go that deeper, otherwise you will end up getting confused. Okay, in class 11 you will get to know the graphs and everything about of this trigonometric ratios, sin theta, cos theta graph, tan theta graph, cosec sec. Okay, that we'll be discussing in future. Just now get to know that we are having trigonometric ratio, 6 trigonometric ratio, which we represent. The first one is sin theta. Okay, the proper name is sine. Sine formula is opposite side by adjacent side. If you have understood that one, Sumaya, okay, and if you already know whatever I am explaining over here, please do one question I am giving you.
Okay, ma'am.
Have you found all the trigonometric ratios?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm coming to you to get to know the answer. Meanwhile, you note down the question. Note it down, Sumaya. And Abdul, you also, if you already know whatever we are discussing over here. In triangle ABC, right angle at B,
Can you repeat?
AB is equals to 24 centimeter. Yeah, anyone said anything? Yeah.
Can you repeat, ma'am?
Can you see the screen?
Okay.
Write it, note it down from here. Sin A, cos A. You have to find sin C, cos C. Do it. And let me know once you have noted down the question. Done? Have you noted down, Sumaya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now focus over here. Alvina and Ifra. And Abdul, if you have not understood, just focus over here. 6 trigonometric ratios are there. Okay. The first ratio's name is sine theta. Okay. We will be representing our angle from now with this Greek alphabet Greek symbols, that is theta, phi. Okay. These symbols we will be using to represent the angles. So the first one is sine. Next one is cosine. And the formula for that is, now I'm coming to the part, what is opposite, what is adjacent. Okay, I'm coming to that part. Cosine formula is, wait, just a second. It is opposite over hypotenuse. Hypotenuse you already know, right? Opposite side, I'm coming to that part. Cosine formula is adjacent side over hypotenuse. Sine, cosine, noted down the formulas. Now we are having a tangent. That formula is, for that the formula is opposite side over adjacent side. Now there comes the next ratio, that is cotangent. For that the formula is adjacent side over opposite side. Next one is cosecant. For that the formula is hypotenuse over opposite side. And the next one is, okay, you got it, Sumaya?
Yes.
I'm coming. Just give me a few minutes. Second,
Okay.
the formula is, can you tell me, Sumaya, what is the formula for second?
For second, it's hypotenuse by adjacent.
Hypotenuse by adjacent. Okay. Now see, total 6 ratios we are having. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Am I missing anything? Oh yeah, sine I have not numbered. Yeah. Sine, this is the first one. The order doesn't matter. First one doesn't matter, means that it will be always in the first only. I'm just marking it step by step the way I have written. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Total 6 ratios we are having. Name is weird, yes. For the very first time you are seeing such names. This name in shorter form we will be writing this S-I-N-E sign as just S-I-N sine theta will be writing. Okay. This cosine we will be writing as a cos theta. Cos the angle. Okay. Tangent we will be writing it as in shorter form. Every time tangent we will not be writing. We will write it as a tan of the given angle. Angle can be theta, can be phi, can be anything. Okay, can be A, B, C, D, anything. Now cot in shorter form we will be writing as a cot theta. Cotangent we will be writing it as a cot theta. Now cosecant we will be writing it as a cosec theta. Be writing as a sec theta. These are the shorter form, and every time we will be using the shorter form only. Now see carefully, the formula is having opposite side, hypotenuse, adjacent side. So we were talking about the right angle triangle, how to identify which one is opposite, which one is adjacent, and which one is hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is clear to us that opposite to 90 degree, that will always be hypotenuse. The side which is opposite to 90 degree angle, that is hypotenuse. Okay, we all already understand what is hypotenuse. Now the confusion is which one is adjacent side and which one is opposite side. So we are talking about angle theta, so you have to see where angle theta is there in this triangle. So maybe if I will write angle theta over here, then opposite side means opposite to angle theta. Opposite side means opposite to angle theta. This side BC will be the opposite side over here. Okay, and side AB will be the adjacent side. How you will get to know the adjacent side? Opposite side is clear that whatever angle will be reflecting over there, that angle's opposite side is name, that angle's opposite side's name is opposite side. Okay, so here BC is the opposite side, AB is the adjacent side. You will see carefully, on adjacent side always you will find, if you will look closely the adjacent side, always you will see on one corner there will be 90 degree, on another corner there will be an angle. That's called adjacent side. Okay, if you will get confused anytime which one is the adjacent side, just be clear which one is the hypotenuse and which one is opposite side. Now the last one, remaining one, will be the adjacent side. Okay, so if angle theta is here, opposite side is BC, adjacent side is AB. Now if I will draw the same triangle over here, A, B, C, and 90 degree over here, still hypotenuse will not change. Hypotenuse will never ever change. Hypotenuse means opposite to 90 degree, whatever side is there, that's hypotenuse. But if I am representing theta over here, now opposite side will be AB and adjacent side will be BC. So opposite side and adjacent side depends upon the given angle. Depends upon the given angle. Accordingly, we will take the opposite side and adjacent side. Okay. Now, if we are having this triangle, let's say PQR, and here I am not mentioning this is 90 degree. I'm just saying that we are going to take angle P over here. Theta, phi, nothing we are taking. We are just taking sine of P. Angle P we are going to take. Whenever this P is written over here, that means you are going to focus on angle P. Okay. Now, according to angle P, which one is the opposite side? Can you tell me? Yes, Alvina and Ifra. Which one is the opposite side?
QR.
Yes, QR is the opposite side. By hypotenuse is sine formula is opposite by hypotenuse. So hypotenuse is PR. That is no. What is the adjacent side over here? What is the adjacent side over here? Yes, PQ is the adjacent side. Okay. So according to the given angle, whatever opposite side will be there, that's called opposite side. And the remaining one will be adjacent side. One more way is there to identify adjacent side. Adjacent sides, both the end point will be having one, like two given angle, one 90 degree and one the angle which is represented in the figure. Okay. Now I have given one question now only to Sumaya. This question. Focus over here. I am talking about this question. This question. There is a triangle ABC, right angle at B. Let's wipe everything and let's solve it. ये सारे जो फॉर्मूला मैंने यहाँ पे लिखे हैं, इसको यूज कैसे करना है अब ये देखते हैं. ठीक है. Now, here it is given there is a triangle ABC. Right angle at B. Okay, right angle at B. It is written in the question, it is right angle at B. Okay. Now, AB is given as, let's represent right angle at B. We understand which one is the hypotenuse. Can you tell me which one is the hypotenuse? In this triangle ABC, which one is the hypotenuse?
AC.
AC is the hypotenuse. Opposite to 90 degree, we are having hypotenuse. Always opposite to 90 degree will be the side hypotenuse. Now AB is given as 24 centimeter. BC is given as 7 centimeter. Sine A we have to find. Sine formula is, what is the formula for sine? अभी मैंने बताया sine का formula होता है opposite side by hypotenuse. You must note down this formula. Okay, in your book also formulas are mentioned over there. You can take it from there also. Sine formula is opposite side by hypotenuse. We know that the formula for sine is opposite side by hypotenuse. But opposite side depends upon the given angle. What is the given angle over here? Can you tell me? Anyone? Ifra, Alvina, Abdul? What is the given angle over here? Can you see the given angle? Can you see? साइन ए का मतलब है एंगल ए पे फोकस करना है. यहाँ पे ट्रायंगल में कहीं भी नहीं लिखा है कि कौन सा एंगल गिवन एंगल है, किसको थीटा ले या फिर जो भी. It's not written in the question, but always in our trigonometric ratio we have to look closely. Is it talking about sine A, sine C, or what? Okay, so sine A, that means we must focus on A. Now can you tell me what is the opposite side over here? Anyone?
BC.
BC is the opposite side, that is 7 centimeter. BC. And what is the hypotenuse? AC. Do we know AC?
AC.
Yeah, AC is the hypotenuse. Do we know hypotenuse AC? No, we don't know. Is it possible to find the hypotenuse AC? Is it possible? Can we find the hypotenuse AC over here?
Yes.
Ifra, Albina, Abdul, Nan, you are also there. Yes, we will be able to find the hypotenuse by using the Pythagoras theorem. Please find it. Find AC. Like this only you have done, Sumaya, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm coming to you. Let them find. Then we will match your answer and their answer is same or not. The hypotenuse value.
Hypotenuse is 25.
25. Everyone is getting 25. Is it so?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Sumaya. You have also got 25, right?
Yes.
Okay. So hypotenuse will be 25. Let me check also. Yeah. We will be getting hypotenuse as 25. And we got sine A. We got sine A, that is 7 by 25 is the answer. If possible, do the cancellation. Otherwise, this is our final answer. Is it clear to everyone? Is it clear so far?
Yes.
Okay, let's find cos A also. There it is written cos A. Tell me quickly. Quickly tell me what will be cos A. The formula I am showing you. The formula is cos, cosine को cos भी बोलते हैं, cosine को cos भी बोलते हैं और उसका formula होता है adjacent side by hypotenuse. Okay, the formula for cos is adjacent over hypotenuse. Now tell me, according to this triangle, cos A is there. Okay, cos A is there. According to angle A, we have to decide which one is opposite, which one is adjacent. And accordingly, we will use the formula. Tell me what is the answer. For sine A, the answer is 7 by 25. What is the answer for cos A?
24 by 25.
24 by 25. Exactly. It will be 24 by 25 because adjacent side is 24 and hypotenuse is 25. Just now we have found. What is sine C? Now C, angle C you have to focus on. Be careful. You have to focus on angle C now. What is sine C?
I got 24 by 25 again.
Let's check. Sumaya, you responded?
Yes.
Let's wait for other students. Yes, the rest of the student, what are you getting as sine C?
24 by 25.
Okay, now this time we will focus on angle C. अब जाके decide करेंगे कि इस बार opposite क्या है और adjacent क्या है. Okay, and then we will apply the formula. Formula will not change, but opposite side and adjacent side will keep on changing according to the given angle. So if we are having angle C, that means opposite side is AB and adjacent is BC. Hypotenuse will not change. So sine C will be opposite over hypotenuse. Opposite is 24, hypotenuse is 24. Perfect. What is cos C? What is cos C? Yes? Can you hear me? What is cos C? What you have got, Sumaya?
Ma'am, is it 7 by 25?
Yes, it is 7 by 25. Got the concept? Let's use it in different questions. Yes, Ifra, have you got it? Abdul, what about you? Alvina and Sumaya is giving the response continuously. What about you two, Ifra and Abdul?
Ma'am, I'm not getting the answer.
Who said?
Ma'am, Ifra.
Okay, you are not getting the answer. For which one, Ifra?
Ma'am, for the 7 by 21, that one.
For cos C or sin C?
Cos C.
Okay, cos C means cos. The formula for
Yeah.
cos means adjacent over hypotenuse. Here the angle C is mentioned, Ifra. So we will focus on angle C and we will see which one is opposite side and which one is adjacent side. Can you tell me, Ifra, if we will focus on angle C, which one is opposite and which one is adjacent side?
Ma'am, A is opposite.
A is opposite. Side I am asking, Ifra.
Oh,
Angle
sorry,
C
ma'am.
पे
B is opposite side.
AB, ये जो AB साइड है ये एंगल C के अपोजिट में जो साइड आ रहा है ये है अपोजिट साइड. मैं पूछ रही हूँ साइड मतलब कौन सा साइड? पॉइंट A है, पॉइंट B है, लेकिन साइड है AB. एंगल C के अपोजिट में कौन सा साइड आ रहा है? AB साइड है. अब ये AB साइड जो है इसको अपोजिट साइड बोलेंगे. किसके रेफरेंस में? एंगल C के रेफरेंस में AB साइड बन गया अपोजिट साइड एंड C के रेफरेंस में BC बन गया एडजेसेंट साइड. कैसे पता लगा कि ये एडजेसेंट साइड है? क्योंकि हाइपोटेन्यूज तो चेंज नहीं होगा. अब बचा दो साइड, उसमें से एक अपोजिट होगा एक एडजेसेंट होगा. हमें पता लग गया कि कौन सा अपोजिट है, तो जो बचा वो एडजेसेंट होगा. और एक तरीका है एडजेसेंट साइड पता करने का. ऐसा साइड कोई ऐसा साइड जिसके एक कॉर्नर पे 90 डिग्री दिखे और दूसरे कॉर्नर पे जो एंगल, हम लोग एंगल सी की बात कर रहे हैं ना यहाँ पे, तो एंगल सी दिखे. एक कॉर्नर पे 90 डिग्री हो, दूसरे कॉर्नर पे एंगल सी हो, ऐसे साइड को ही एडजेसेंट साइड बोलते हैं. लेट्स सी ऐसा कुछ हो रहा है क्या यहाँ पे? सी बीसी साइड को जब फोकस करेंगे तो कैन यू सी एंगल सी की बात कर रहे थे हम लोग, तो एक साइड एक कॉर्नर पे साइड बीसी के एक कॉर्नर पे ओके एंगल सी है और दूसरे कॉर्नर पे 90 डिग्री है, तो इसको ही एडजेसेंट साइड बोलते हैं. तो जैसे ही एंगल चेंज होगा वैसे ही ऑपोजिट साइड और एडजेसेंट साइड चेंज हो जाएगा, क्योंकि ये ऑपोजिट साइड और एडजेसेंट साइड एंगल के रेफरेंस में बोलते हैं. ठीक है, लेट मी क्लियर इट. सपोज हमारे पास एक ट्रायंगल है एम एन ओ, एन पे 90 डिग्री है, तो हाइपोटेन्यूज तो फिक्स हो गया कि अपोजिट टू 90 डिग्री हाइपोटेन्यूज होगा. अब बात हुई कौन सा अपोजिट साइड है कौन सा एडजेसेंट साइड है. तो अगर एंगल एम की बात करेंगे तो एम के ऑपोजिट में जो होगा वो ऑपोजिट साइड होगा. अगर साइन एम फाइंड करना हो या फिर कॉस एम फाइंड करना हो या फिर टैन एम फाइंड करना हो या फिर कुछ भी एम फाइंड करना हो, तो फॉर्मूला में ऑपोजिट होगा एडजेसेंट होगा हाइपोटेन्यूज होगा. कैसे पहचानेंगे कौन सा ऑपोजिट है कौन सा एडजेसेंट है? हाइपोटेन्यूज तो पहचान लेंगे, ऑपोजिट और एडजेसेंट कैसे आइडेंटिफाई करेंगे? तो वो डिपेंड करता है कि किस एंगल की बात हो रही है. एम के रेफरेंस में ऑपोजिट साइड है ओ एन, एंड जो बच गया थर्ड साइड वो होगा एडजेसेंट साइड. Here adjacent side is not there. Let me write it separately. Adjacent side will be MN. Okay, जो थर्ड साइड हो गया, जो रिमेनिंग साइड है वो एडजेसेंट साइड होगा. और वी ऑल्सो नो, हमें और एक रूल पता है एडजेसेंट साइड एनालाइज करने का. एक ऐसा साइड जिसके ऊपर एंगल एम हो, क्योंकि यहाँ हम एंगल एम की ही बात कर रहे हैं अभी. एक ऐसा साइड जिस पे एंगल एम हो और दूसरे कॉर्नर पे 90 डिग्री हो, ऐसे साइड को हमेशा एडजेसेंट साइड ही बोलते हैं. आ रहा है समझ में? आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's get back to our question. Cos C हमें पता करना था. Cos का फॉर्मूला, अगर यहाँ पे ध्यान से cos का फॉर्मूला देखेंगे तो वो है adjacent by hypotenuse. अब कौन से एंगल के रेफरेंस में adjacent पता करना है? C के रेफरेंस में. So एंगल C को जब फोकस करेंगे तो can you tell me Ifra which one is adjacent side? ट्राइंगल एबीसी में से adjacent साइड कौन सा है? ध्यान से सुनो, मैं साइड की बात कर रही हूँ, पॉइंट की, वर्टेक्स की नहीं. कौन सा साइड है adjacent साइड?
BC.
BC. BC है adjacent साइड. हाइपोटेन्यूस तो ऑलरेडी फिक्स्ड है, BC by AC. दैट मींस 7/25 आंसर होगा. हाँ या ना? साइड का लेंथ चेंज नहीं होगा, लेकिन ऑपोजिट adjacent चेंज होते रहेगा एंगल के रेफरेंस में. आ रहा है समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
If you understood, everyone understood over here, then let me give you one question. Do try. Already we are running out of time. No worries. I'll give this question to you. A triangle is there. P is there. Q is there. R is there. 90 degrees here. 12 centimeter is here. 13 centimeter is here. And we have to find tan P minus cot R. We will be starting our next class with this question. Note it down. Everyone, please note it down. Today, no assessment, because still we need to discuss a lot of different types of scenarios over here. When you are having your exam, Sumaya?
I have my math test tomorrow, so
Tomorrow, this chapter will be there, trigonometric ratio.
yes.
Then how you like? Do you know how to solve the remaining part? Which chapters will be there? What are the syllabus for that?
Polynomials and trigonometry.
Okay. Test is there or exam is there?
Test.
Oh, then you give the test. We'll be doing it over here. Okay. We have started the concept. Whatever you will be able to do it, but be careful. You are not going to do any mistake from the polynomial chapter at first. Okay. And trigonometry, introduction to trigonometry, whatever we have learned so far, from here you are not going to do any mistake. And if you have already understood the next part as well, please attempt the questions from there. Let's see whether that will be correct or what. But till here, no mistake.
Yes.
Maya?